I noticed that some people have been watching certain people talk disrespectful to me, or maybe just one person. But I kind of know that person has a mental issue. So I kind of ignore it, and plus he's my people, and he's one of my OGs, you know, triple, quadruple, or whatever, OG. Some nonsense you must ignore. Especially if it can cause you to lose everything in which you are working for to have in life. And it's redundantly ridiculous when they're only trying to show out. And it really doesn't matter, especially when you already know your own strengths. Sometimes, just stay silent while the little poodle barks. Ruff.